Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Gatie here. This has been here for numerous times. This time we have Does He Know? So, yes, let's take a look at this one. We have a combination here of notes picking and also an even simple string pattern that works for this song. So let's take a look at this one with the capo set here on the 5th fret to have the easiest scenario possible here with the notes and easy chords. So capo on 5th, let's go over the chords, and we have the first A minor 7. So that is open A, second D, open G, third or first B, sorry, and open E. The next chord is G, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B this time, and third E. We have the C major 7, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E, and the F major, so that is third on D, second on G, first B, and open E. Okay, so first let's go into the picking notes here, the picking patterns. So we have the A minor 7. You can start with this position, so it will fast go to the standard chord here. So second on D and third on B. So you're gonna play like this. So that is open A, second D, open G, third B, first B. That's the A minor. Then the G. It's enough to just hold the 3rd fret on the E string here to start with. It goes like this. So that is third on E, open D, open G, open B, first B, back to open B, and open D. Then we have the C major 7. Okay, and I hold the full chord here even if I don't have to, just for this specific chord. That will be the easiest scenario for me for the next chord. So I prepare myself, I have the full chord here, and I play like that. So it will be third on A, open G, open B, and open E. And I hold the full chord here because the next chord, you just do this transition here. You don't have to find new strings like this and notes. So you have the C major here with these two fingers, the ring finger on the 3rd A and the middle finger on the 2nd D. And you keep that 2nd D and you go down to this position. You just have this ring finger just below there on the 2nd G string, and you play it with a bar there on the 1st fret. So I bar the 1st fret with my index finger and have the rest like this. And I'm gonna play. So that will be 1st fret on E string, 2nd D, 2nd G, and the 1st B string with my bar finger there. And that is the melody. So one round. All right. So there you have the melody. Now over to strumming, and we'll have the full chords now, of course. And one string around, if you have the A minor 7, will sound like this. All right. So it's first down, up, down, up. Then comes the clap. And then up, down, up. And that is one round. So one string around, down, up, clap, up, down, up. You're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord in the same order there as we learned to chord A minor, G, C major, and F major, and it goes like this. this one round. You can choose go either the melody with the notes or the strumming, or go back and forth and mix it up a little bit. And it's for Gatie's Does He Know? All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar in your own way. So that is highly appreciated. Till next time, guys, play tuned.